GD, so, come here, chi session, two curler session and show. Lunaton, so I'll make all plows, prehab, get the bug the mobility, yeah, Marshall Aldiv, Shaw, Cade Shockton, the, not Marshall Aldiv, Shaw, Cade Shockton, the, Duclan, Shockton, Coog, Jacker, the me gold, who's correlation, Shakacha, Ach, V and Fluorm, and it was fucking rough. So, Shaw, Cade Shockton, Sugum, my Johnny Sharma Gahan, it's kind of melting me. To make all, Shivaglacky Lum, Gakil Shockton, Vedger Fishan a wine occur in orgy, Gak Shockton, the Sulagum, all guess Chiefy Shiv, Gajay Margin, and Dutlan, Tomei Giri, Avenis Ackley, Avenis Ledra, get the bug Mahana Kailu, August Live on work, Dolme Codwar, Har and Olganshin, a bit too much, if I do say so. August, but while just can you comment different occur or on Jerry Shockton, Imakdinia, Real, whatever maybe start fucking hiking or something, I don't know. Running different. So, Chiefy Mudge came to Ajanche, to make all sash in the Anish, and then actually to Cleha Fihilla Ugum in the Aisha in Fruit Hill, Chess. So, that's a bit nerdy, but there you go. Like I make up a Fishand in Session Shaw. And then Chiefy Mudge came to Ajan and Shockton. Hoorah! Jamarshton, Jimmer main Clay Fihil Shannon you and win me, would you believe it? Definitely ruined some child's week, but fuck it. How much? Tell me, ik moet je listening to Chuck to Cook Jacker, tell me you fast. Just Neil like fat or leihan, just put him salt that say, you know. So fast, ever da, janta. Gajee da egg, so it's not that much, but there's a wee bit of a fast. So to make all the supplements you like creatine and all that bollocks, and then to make all get the bay ayana and yay Nero may agree galore so Nero Belchi or B Janta Ugum Ak to make all shaky ayana sa Kishnor to so go fucking be on Neil Misha Raw can you picky near tagging Shay Lesson via Ichi may rudder be so the grad just John McKinnell chicken up race Kerm get the bug you know Kerm the speech in it or who is Kamalumsa living on her get you at Aiken so to make all get the big be a yanni to make a be and not back to make all era Kahi Hussy Sarsfields Irish and Shock and Shaw so Kahi may Scrooty hit a yanni arm here fee Shid the Johnny Agum Shaka Shakacha, Akvi and Fluorm. So near made Tamagali at Yanni and Ox, so Glacker may live me. Yeah, to make all Shula Stack, because to make Gary or no to make Gary Ga, Sashin and I lay Yanni, because to make just go Shula Jacontis. Glack and Jay Harder died to go but much of Shula Stack in Sportland Barby, so to make all Shanacontis. And then to make all Sashin Yanni, and then to make a beat and a Mark and Cade session trainer around the Sarsfields. So, bella fa can do again, Shim. Yeah, baby. Smile way, boys. So if you shouldn't a couple of fish shouldn't when you're on my John would be a half of it yeah. Did I forget? I think I did. Neil may to swing, Neil may clack the hair le vlogel Brunner. Run much session training and shin. And then the lads remain session law. What do you call it? Chest and tries in Uvium. Bunny may act, Johnny may act, small Fishan or Clips Isle than trail the gra. Actually, what suppose to me go hey trail Sarsfields a mark, Sarsfields a mark, and then just Saturn by Session Ella on. So Johnny may a couple of Fishan Isle the shin, ach payday came, so tá mé ag dúil le Beidir shop direct bia den seachtain a cheannacht ar an dónach, so ghlac mé live ghlac mé sibh lom the sin yeah, bhí cuman the cuman fiala an sa Sportland near Carmudge scéal ar brí a mí faoi go fóil ach tá ceann agus in a dhéana session jump much a couple of clear work of muscles, work of mind sin an mai so lá mai bhí an lá a trí the shop to a cú jacker tá mu a Johnny go mai bhí train agam in é Sarsfield's kid session ar eis agam bach me run the bollocks office bhí sé an mai bhaid meáil das ach bhí mé neamhneach agus daithin mé nach session an bhain teanta agam in a dhéana session so bhí am teach nóála agus like a wee core workout thing in Yanni. She when you're my shin bug kind of that was a bit of the workout, but Shahashin, go my go for training, go for glue, go for all that bollocks. So time make up get the bug mahan. Tash me me mahan Dave imagine a mark the sogum go give me. But yeah, chiefy my shit imagine a mark. My taffy or imagine and then ring my jammed. For to be out and yeah, half of it. So there you go, shag and Geminish. Back and base. To make all stuff just look at the buggy I'm making and then to couple it in the lad to check the stuff. You know, sort of lacking on. Yeah, I'm checked on my fucking tripod. So guy made like contraptions. Crew got a gym, we can gym. Just hunt have to be on it, but fuck it. So, chief made chin shift. Oh, Dory me. Gal walks it. To these fuckers, load of balls. Oh, Tashi, cause they should fucking gallon it. Oh fuck yeah. It's sprawling already, sure. Right, we've got our monster, we've got our Ishki, we've got our coffee, and we've got our wee turmeric shots. Lemon, ginger, turmeric. Lemon, ginger, turmeric, pineapple. Oh, all that stuff. So to make delicious, that'll wake me up. Like liquid gold. Baby, you got me. Yeah! Yeah! Get funky with your boy. Tommy in a session trainer. Pelgi like a yummy. I am spent. Coach Rory. Yeah, cuddle me raw away or so actually Mohim Gunyana shin damage to do or Gunyahi shin go Korshish da herm. Listen Rachel because I'm aclact. Make a full cup of geary cup of ruddy and even make geary sauna / ice bath and Neil attribute your file because I left it last minute and everyone does saunas and ice baths now, so you know. The Kilnugam taven way, but I'd have to clean it now, I can't be bothered. So to make all key heavy argument shot, to make all get the shop direct the any new shop direct beer, just in Shockton. I'll guess then to make all get the bug over any, but while I'm Shockton, so while I'm always in Shockton, Badger, I don't know. Anyway, yeah, so to make all shit like hey Lidl Jarhin. And we'll do a wee bit of a shop, see what the week has in store for us. Okay. So, fuck me. My not Jared garage, but to my garage was Lidl. I'm gonna do like a grocery haul. Kate was like, take a bunch of gar find your tripod, that's why you're down there. And I'll show you the contraption that I had to make just to set you up. But, so, avocado, cream cheese, bananas, done a shakes, because I think I'm gonna start just doing like an edge coffee available got margin shit. I think I'm just gonna have a shake or something. I don't know, can you get like caffeine? That's the thing, can you get caffeine to stick into a shake? Because it's more than caffeine on coffee, but wasted calories essentially. To make all cocoa powder, so to make all ready in the yellow, I make like a protein brownie or some shit. Parmesan, fuck ton of mince, cream cheese, feta, golden syrup, shindig brownies, black beans, shot in the brownies, come on, believe it or not. There's so much protein in them. 7 grams protein, light mayo, garlic, and then herbs, like spices, mixed herbs, salad, more mixed herbs, lime, chicken stock, paprika, I got crushed chilies, and then from I get the book chocolate to hand because I like a wee bit of dark chocolate. I was baking powder, and then wraps, Ibiza, lemons, peppers, cash, lighter, mozzarella, fuck ton of sweet potato fries, tomatoes, all this chicken. So, Chaska Punt, not too bad. Drinking the Joculum shot in Umlin, the Belgian Yanni Amaka shot, a couple of rud no go Ella Carlish. Yeah, my Yanam runner be like there's a small chance that I forget to, or not forget to, but just couldn't be bothered meal prepping, so me anime shame, but if I did, clacking me shit along. Yes, August also to me Johnny Shaw because roommate drama would be half a day in Lidl because I'm shy. Yeah, can you get the book over Yanni River Moira? August Shah Shin, Thomas Corvere, done Donna Shopton, the Declan Shop to a Coog, Jacker. Get her booked. Shaw E and contraption, a worm, Shiva Carver, Shaw Gackard. Shaw's Capon, I feel like that's not too bad. Right, the car to Shin, shocked in a hen, the Declan shocked to Coog Jacker. To make all an edit in a Yanni ish, to make all trail a Yanni asked. Anyway. To my studio first take a moment chill my car. Try and good commission and on get the Kudji horse too. Hopefully this comes together. Right if I go. Okay, so Tom Edge Johnny. So Tommy Johnny all behind and shock and shocking. Yeah, made a mage vlogging or my gear, you know. And shock and shaw. Chance, yeah. And shocking, as in own mark, to make your session, and only imagine a mark. Agus Trinona, better not imagine a mark, no, just get some work done. Trinona mark, Kensha, and then better Shulage, and then March, be fuck, I forgot to plan my hike. So anyway. And Jack Shuggy, Tom Woodjigal, we're doing a couple of training sessions, a couple of Swordfish training sessions, and then I'm gonna go on a hike on a Saturday and maybe like a recovery on the Sunday. So, bed if I can do every inch in. in Lunaton. While I'm just recap bug a Yanni and Shackton. Kate Shackton, Shackton Craig Jagger, Hussey and Mahanamak or Craig J. Clough J. Punt. Agus Creek Mountain Shackton or Craig J. Punt or Craig J. Clough Kiera Punt. Or Margin we may actually Craig Punt. Yeah, Shackton Mohivian when we thought that's 2 gym sessions, 3 session Lena Socially. Coach war week 2 pre-season so vi Shackton Jacker VM Mohim go me Tinyo in a flow moi like Margin Jidoni Nero or what ihe just Nero more colleague because Margin Jidoni was go me August me trainer why me and ask ba colleague because ni sin an cater real war harlishin but like Nur is féidir na difriachtaí sin a wahi agus a hinch sin is cineal is rud mai sin because tá structure and routine or lei agad agus nar aithríonn sin a hniúnta so tá mé sása leis an seachtain ba bhhail am couple rud eile so bhhail am gach eile gym session a bhfuilú ar nó ag mé gas session in an aon le a dhéanamh 3 Sarfield sessions bhhail am hike a dhéanamh ar an Saturn agus bhhail am sauna / ice bath a dhéanamh Judoni. It's just being gach edge booked out free Laugh Valley Fridge and Shackton so bear sin dhéanamh inis. But se sin má mé ansaltas tá suagam go win sibh se saltas an Shackton ar san vlog. Ní bhfuair mé actually more in content ach cai mé bé mar sin an Shackton seo sin an rud ar féidir len fiosí an Shackton seo níos mó tafaidú ar na rudí bhfuil mé dhéanamh in edge tafaidú dhéanamh ar me sé caint séid. Okay, go ahead.